Hello! Today, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of autumn. Autumn, also known as fall, is a season when the leaves on trees change color and the weather turns cooler. It's a time of harvest, falling leaves, and cozy sweaters. Are you ready to explore? Let's get started. Let's begin with leaves. In autumn, leaves on trees change from green to beautiful shades of red, orange, and yellow. They fall from the trees and create colorful carpets on the ground. Can you say leaves?
Leaves.
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 Next, we have pumpkin. Pumpkins are large orange vegetables that are famous in autumn. People use them for decorations and to make delicious pumpkin pie. Say with me, pumpkin.
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 In autumn, we have harvest. It's when farmers gather crops like apples, corn, and grapes. It's a time of plenty. Repeat after me. Harvest.
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 Now, let's talk about apples. Apples are delicious fruits that are ripe and ready to eat in the fall. You can bite into them, make apple pie, or enjoy them as snacks. Can you say apple?
Apple.
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 Look at this tiny treasure. It's called an acorn. Acorns are little nuts that fall from oak trees in the autumn. They're like nature's tiny surprises. Say it after me. Acorn.
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 Next, we have a squirrel. Squirrels are furry animals that live in trees and collect acorns and nuts in the autumn to store for winter. Can you say squirrel?
Squirrel.
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 As the weather gets cooler, we love to wear sweaters. Sweaters are warm and comfortable, like a big hug from your clothes. Say with me, sweater.
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 Meet the scarecrow. Scarecrows stand in gardens and fields to scare away birds that might eat the crops. They are the protectors of gardens. Repeat after me. Scarecrow.
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 This is a garden fork. In autumn, gardeners use it to turn the soil and prepare the ground for planting flowers and vegetables. Say with me, garden fork.
Garden fork.
Garden fork.
Garden fork.
Lastly, in the fall, we celebrate Thanksgiving with a turkey feast. Turkeys are big birds that are roasted and served as the main dish for this special holiday. Can you say turkey?
Turkey.
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 Well done! Let's do a quick recap. Repeat after me. Leaves.
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 Pumpkin.
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 Harvest.
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 Apple.
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 Acorn.
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 Squirrel.
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 Sweater.
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 Scarecrow.
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 Garden fork.
Garden fork.
Garden fork.
Garden fork.
Turkey.
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 Perfect! You've learned some wonderful words about autumn today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Maci English for Kids. See you next time. Bye.